Hi guys, welcome to I Am Worldwide, and this is our ATM system. Let me share to you this short video presentation kung paano kikita yung pera mo using this proven system. This is limited offer only, and if you are interested na kumita yung pera mo in just short period of time, just finish this video. I Am Worldwide was founded by Mr. Allen Marvin Eder, our President and CEO, and our Vice President Ms. Aika Loren Oy, who are seasoned network marketing professional and entrepreneurs, with a track record for being consistent top earner from several other marketing companies, and they have helped create more than 100 millionaire over the years. And for our legalities purpose, this is our document, and I Am Worldwide is pioneering stage that will open last July 27, 2016 and duly registered with Security and Exchange Commission with registration number CS 2016-13625. Our head office are located at Green Hills, San Juan City, Metro Manila, Philippines, with more than 30 city stockists nationwide and 9 business center, local and international. We are also very proud to inform you that in just 7 months doing in this business, I Am Worldwide Corporation was awarded as the best new fastest growing business opportunity and ANCA People's Choice Rising Star Company here in the Philippines. I Am Worldwide is offered to you the great and proven ATM system that will assure you to earn potential income once you follow the 4x4 by 400 system. So we have 4 steps to follow. First, avail the package. So we have 2 options. Bronze, which is 11,200, and gold, that is 44,800. Any package you choose or magustuhan mo, you will receive 100% worth of products. Bumili ka lang ng product package and you are entitled to earn potential income 45,000 up to 150,000 in 3 months time. Once you avail the package, second step, stop and learn. Ibig sabihin, you need to commit at least 3 times a week para mapag-aralan ang system paano mag-work for you. Then third step, identify your 4 partners. So meaning, find your 4 prospect friends na gusto ding kumita at makatulong katulad sa'yo. Take note, sa dami mong kaibigan, 4 lang ang kailangan para mag-work ang system for you. Fourth step, maintain at least 400 product points monthly to qualify this program or equivalent of 2,000 per month. Once you follow this program, I will assure you 100% you will earn from this system. How it works? Once you are qualified and committed to do this program, magkakaroon ka ng account and access to our company website to monitor your earnings. Even you are working abroad. For example, this is your account. Then, you refer at least 4 of your friends. Sabihin natin nangyari yan once a week. So, in just 4 weeks, you will completely the requirements. So, meaning, pag gold ka, you will earn 60,000 out of your 4 referrals. Pag bronze naman, you will earn 6,000 pesos. Kagandahan, pag gold ka, sa referral mo na 4, bawi ka na agad. And same system yung gagawin ng referrals mo. Ibig sabihin, i-guide natin sila na makapag-refer ng 4 in just 30 days. And ilan lang yung 4 sa dami nating kakilala na gustong kumita at magkaroon ng additional income for their family. Sa pangalawang buwan mo, if your referrals are able also to refer their friends to be part of this system, kung ano kinita mo, yun din ang kikitain nila. Ibig sabihin, we are equal opportunity. And the good things is, ikaw yung unang naging part ng system. For your second month, may kita ka pa din out of their referrals. Pag yung apat nag-refer ng tig-apat, magiging 16 qualifier sa second months mo. Then, you will earn, pag gold ka, you have additional 24,000 pesos, and pag bronze naman, you will earn 8,000 pesos. Pagdating ng third months mo, yung 16 mag-refer ng tig-apat, magiging 64 under your organization. Then, you will earn 96,000 for gold account and 32,000 for bronze account. Pag itotal mo lahat ng kita mo in just 3 months time, you are able to earn a total of 180,000 pesos pag gold and 46,000 pag bronze. Guys, just imagine, may pera ka ngayon sa bank. Do you think 3 months from now, kikita ng ganyan kalaki? Malabo pong mangyari yon dahil walang ganitong sistema sa labas. And pag yung 64 nakapag-refer ng tig-apat, that is 256 under your organization. And you will earn up to 384,000 pesos once you are gold and 80,000 pesos once you are a bronze. And we have another 5 ways to earn that I will discuss to you once you are already part of this system. And these are the sample of some people who are earning through this system. Guys, yan po yung sample sa mga kumita on this system. And marami pa tayong pag-uusapan na kitaan once you are part of the company already. By the way, I'm Janjis Paglinawan, and thank you for watching this short video presentation. If you have some question, you can text my number 0916-5615-504. Thank you and have a prosperous day ahead.